Hello friends, today's recipe is white sauce pasta. Let us see the recipe. Take a kadai or any steel pot or any pot, add water, add salt because we have to cook pasta first. Add 1 or 2 teaspoon oil. I have more pasta so I am adding more. Let it boil. Now take the pasta. I have taken whole wheat organic pasta, so you can use whole wheat, or if you like white pasta you can use it, but I am using whole wheat. So mix it. I have taken nearby 300 to 400 gram pasta. So let it boil it, cook it, give some time. Almost you can see our pasta is cooked. So strain it and keep aside. Don't keep in water. So keep it aside and start the tadka preparation. I have taken 10 to 15 garlic cloves, so you can chop it finely. I have taken one more capsicum. Make it small cubes. You can see it. Take a one capsicum, sweet corn, carrot and garlic. Take a pan, add butter, 1 or 2 teaspoon. You can add oil and prepare also, not an issue. Add now finely chopped garlic. Let it fry it well, then add carrot. This is also fry it well. Then add capsicum. Mix it well or saute it well. Now sweet corn. You can take half sweet corn. So it is already cooked in butter. So keep aside now. Take a kadai. So we have to prepare now white sauce. Take a butter. For this we need butter only. So now add 2 teaspoon maida. I have added more because I have pasta more. I need white sauce more. So mix it well. Mix it well. No lump should come. Let it cook. So you can see the brown color of maida. So now add the consistency. Add 1 cup of milk and cook it well. Mix it well. So it is become thick. You can add again milk. I am taken again 1 cup of milk. So I am mixing it. You can take the whisker and whisk it well. The whisker is the good. This is become lumps. Now whisker will be the good option for this. You can see it. It is mixing well now. Mix it. You can add the milk however you want. Adjust the consistency based on the thickness. Try it guys, this is very tasty. This is one different taste. You can try it once. This is like Italian food, so it is really tasty. Add milk. If you want you can add, make the thin of that white sauce. So you can see the consistency. Cook it. If you cook properly the taste will come good, but don't burn it. Cook it in a very low flame. See the consistency, perfectly done this is. But you have to cook it slowly. Almost our white sauce is ready. Now you can add the red chili flakes, crushed pepper. Now mix it well. Salt as per the taste. I used to use pink salt. I already told every videos. Now mix it. You can see the creamy texture and color. It will really mouth watering. So add whatever we have fried vegetables. Mix it well. Now it is ready to add for pasta. Now you can add cooked pasta, whatever we have prepared. Now mix it well. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Our white sauce pasta is ready to eat, ready to serve. Hot, hot. If you serve and eat, it is a very tasty. Trust me, guys, I have prepared and tested. It is really, really nice. You can try it. See the creamy texture. I am serving in handi. You can serve in plate also because I like that handi shape. So every time I will serve in handi. If you want, you can serve in plate or other bowls. You can see the texture and color. This is a very creamy. It is a completely mouth watering. You can definitely try, guys. This is very, very nice. On different taste, you can see the color, texture. Please like my video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye, guys. Take care.